All right. So we could have one conversation before we had to change the call. Okay. So, sorry, two conversations. So, three people have already spoken from our group. So now we have who are, okay, I did say Suvajit and Amit can speak. So, Suvajit and Amit, if you want to speak, you guys can turn on your videos if you're able to, and then we can have your conversation next. Okay. Can you hear me, both of you? Yeah, Nishtha. It was Nishtha. She's come. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, Didi.
Okay. All right. So Vajit, do you want to talk to Amit or do you want to do it a little bit later?
About this song conversation,
Yes.
can I do little bit after?
Yeah, that's okay. You can do it a little bit afterwards. All right.
Because I am thinking about that conversation.
Okay. Think about it and raise your hand once you're
Because
prepared. Sorry?
okay,
Okay.
no, no, Didi.
All right. So we have Vaishnavi and we have Priya. Do you guys want to talk about the song? Should we have you next? Vaishnavi is prepared. Priya, are you prepared? Okay, brilliant. Unmute yourselves and we'll have that conversation. Okay?
Hi Priya Didi.
Hello, how are you? Hello, are you able to hear?
I
Hello,
can't. Ha, yes. Hello.
now can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you. So please tell me what you like the most from that song.
I like the song. I learned first time English song, and with name is Count on Me. Uh, with related education. Not. mm, I love this song, and uh, I like the tone. Uh, Means poem tone is I like these lines one, two, three, four, another. You like some?
From the song, I like whole song, but what message I took from the song is we are in our friends, in our happy moments, we always there, but in in their sad moment or hard time, we also should have to be there. So it's when we in their hard time when we with there, it's showing that we are best friend and we never leave um uh, we never leave togetherness. So that's one message I took from that song. It's very beautiful. And one thing I also love that the drawing, that in the manner of drawing, because I love drawing, and I was when I was listening the song, I was thinking when I will draw that, draw such people and such girls and boys. So I love the drawing. Thank you. Anything you want to share?
Wow. Um, the friend need is very important. this in our today life. Um,
I think the communication makes us good friends. So we we haven't meet, but communication is there. So I think they are all the Pehchan Parivar is best, and we are best.
yes. Anything you like with best friend? Yeah. Anything you learn from poem?
Lakshita,
Sorry.
over to you.
Acha, over to me. Okay. All right. So, Vaishnavi, do you want to talk more?
No. Thank you.
Okay. It was a very well done conversation. You brought out new aspects of the song, which was very, very nice. And I think I'm meeting Priya for the first time. So, very, very happy to meet you, Priya. Um, so, it was a very nicely done, conducted conversation. You've been there for the class. I've not seen your face. I've seen you. Like I've never heard you speak and I've never heard you in a conversation. Yeah. So it was very fun to watch you guys talk. Okay. And sorry. Okay.
I also, yeah, I also, as you see me first time.
Yes. So the more we are hearing people talk about it, the more we are understanding new aspects of the song, right? The more new, I think I am getting more points for the conversation about this song. I can have one more conversation with Durgeshwari that will last 1 hour only about this song, right? Okay, so lucky are those who are coming next. So they have gotten even more points to talk about. Okay, so we have Aditya, we have Amit, we have Subhajit, and we have Rekha. So we can have two more pairs. Aditya and Rekha, would you like to go first, or Subhajit and Amit, are you guys prepared now? Tell me.
I think Didi, Amit having a network issue. That's why he can't join. Means he can't on his camera and he can't see everyone's photo.
Okay. Amit, would you be able to speak to
Uh,
us?
No, he also can't hear us. So he
Okay.
messaged me that I can't hear everyone.
Okay.
Just a minute,
All right. Yeah,
They
I've had
can
him.
I have a conversation with Subhajit?
Sorry, Rekha.
Can I have a conversation with Subhajit?
Yeah, you can have a conversation with Subhajit. That's completely fine. Subhajit, are you okay to talk to Rekha? Subhajit, can you hear me? I think he's gone to talk to Amit.
Didi, yes. No, he is messaging, I think. That's why he come.
Okay. So let him message and come back. Till then, we'll think about. Okay, he'll
hello.
back. Okay, so Vijit,
Yeah,
would you
Didi.
talk to Rekha? Would you talk to
Yeah, I'm
Rekha
okay.
for the time being? Okay. Rekha, could you turn your
Okay.
video on, or is the network a little slow there?
I don't have much data left,
Okay,
so
okay.
that's
Sorry.
why I turned off my video.
Okay, okay. Sorry, I just forgot. Yes, yes. Please have the conversation.
Can we start, Subhajit?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Subhajit. Did you hear that song?
Which song?
Oh, I see you didn't hear that song. Uh, that song name is Count on Me, and this song is fully about a friendship. So, do you want to know more about this song?
I think I have listened one time because I not listen that much of English songs. I heard some songs like of Justin Bieber. He's a famous English singer. I think I heard uh, 2 3 songs of Justin Bieber. One is that no, one is that let me love you and all that. But this song I hear only one time. I like this song because this song is about friendship. So you saying about that song?
Yes, yes, I'm singing about that song only.
Yeah, I like that song because that song there are lots of words about friendship, and it is means convincing us that uh, how the friendship is there, means there in two friends and two person. So I like that song. Did you like that song?
Yes, yes, I like that song too. There is a line in the song that if you are stuck in the ocean, I will be there to sail to save you. So this is my favorite line. So which line is your favorite from this song?
I saw that full video, but I only observed that one thing that when his friends goes far away from him, he is crying that never say goodbye, we will meet again and all that. So I like that because friendship never will end. So their friends are true friends. So I like that picture and like that scene in this song. And thank
Oh,
you for conversation with me. Thank you.
oh, thank you so much, ma'am. That's it.
Well done, both Rekha and Suvajit. See, Ayush is clapping. That's how much she loved it. Very, very well done. Great. I love how Suvajit was like, "What song are you talking about?" I don't know what song this is.
Didi, mostly means I heard song about Sia Cheap Thrills. You know that song?
Yes, I know
Yeah,
that song.
that song. Let Me Love You of Justin Bieber, and that Justin Bieber famous song, Bieber, Bieber song. That yeah, I only listen three songs of Hollywood English songs.
Very interesting choice of songs. Yes, they are good. They're very famous
No,
songs. I've also heard
I
them.
also don't know. I also don't know, but my school friends who are interested in that songs, they used to say me that Subhojit, listen this song. This song is very nice. So
Durgeshwari, you wanted to say something?
Yes, Didi, you know that song Yummy Yummy Yum
Yes,
Yum,
yes.
Justin Bieber. Yeah, that too one song I love the most.
Wow, you guys have an amazingly interesting choice of songs. But yeah, when I was your age, I also used to love Justin Bieber. That time, though, Justin Bieber was also really big, pata hai, because that is when he had started writing. He is almost my age, or he's like 1 or 2 years younger, older to me.
I not I not listen that much of song. I always see sports,
Okay, you
cricket,
like to watch
kabaddi,
sports.
football.
That I know.
Oh, now
Yeah,
That I
I
know
know.
you love to watch sports. That we all know.
when I get time, I always to see sports, cricket, kabaddi, and all that. I don't mean I never see movies and all. Yeah, I see movies which are based on life. Means his life story means like Dhoni, the
Yes.
untold story, picture of Sachin, Mary Kom, like this. The movies are based on biography of that person, like Milka Singh, how the Indian Pakistan are means means
Partition.
divided into two parts.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very good. That is a very, very nice choice of movies. I would love to say that that is all I watch, but I watch a lot of movies. I watch all kinds of movies. I watch even bad Salman Khan movies also. That's how much I love watching movies. I'll go to the theater also and watch if I have time. So it is my favorite pastime. Oh, yeah, Priya, you had
I
raised your
when I
hand. Yes, Sujit, bolo.
yeah
Yes, I was saying
when
that.
I see movie uh without a biography movie, I used to see comedy movies like Veer Hera Fairy, the jokes of Babu Rao, and that now recently released that movie Chichore.
Oh, yes. That's also a very nice movie. Yes, Priya, you were saying?
I was saying that I love the song Memories bring back memories. Have you heard?
Yes, it's Maroon 5, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's a very nice song. Okay, guys, let's do this. If you listen to the songs on YouTube, if you have your favorite songs on YouTube, if you love that song very much, send that song on our English group. If it's an English song, I know all of us love Hindi songs. I also love Hindi songs. Trust me, I do. But for the purpose of these fluency and English learning classes, I want you all to share all your favorite English songs. If they are very, very essay, if they have a lot of
Yes, yes.
slangs in them, or slangs means basically slangs loosely translated in Hindi is gali. So if they have a lot of slangs and abuses in the song, don't share that song, okay? Prayas would kill me. Don't share that song. But if they're like sweet, nice songs, like today, the song that we heard today, then definitely share them on the English group. Okay? All right. So I think we've had Priya talk today. We have Turkeshwari talk today. We've had we've had Nishtha talk today. We've had Suvajit also talk today. We have had Ayush talk today. Vaishnavi talk today. Rekha also talk today. So the two people who are left is Amit and Aditya. Both Amit and Aditya have been having internet issues because I have been letting them in all this while because it's my account and my account is not a prime wo wala account, so I have to let people in every time you guys go out. Aditya's laughing. Okay, so Aditya, is your network connection a little bit better now? Can you talk to us? Can we have a conversation with you also?
Yes, Didi. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Amit, could you talk? Can you also talk to us? Are you able to unmute yourself and talk? Okay, I don't think Amit can hear us. All right. So, would anybody like to volunteer to have a conversation with their dear friend Aditya? I would want to have another, but I want somebody else also to come forward. Who wants to talk to Aditya? Durgeshwari, are you okay? I can hear you say I'm fine even when you're on mute. Ayush, you want to talk? Okay. All right. So, which one of you guys? Both of you guys are so nice and smiley. You're like, I'll also do it. If you ask me to do it, I'll also do it. Okay. Ayush.
No, no, Ayush is okay. No problem.
Okay. We'll
Let's
have I.
make it three group. The
Oh, yes.
trio.
You can have a group of three. Let's do this. Our conversation is never just
Yeah,
between
let's
two
try
people.
it.
Three people are going to talk today. Okay.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
okay,
count on
okay.
me, Bruno Mars, three people. Wow, this is very unplanned. This is nice. Okay. Unmute yourselves and let's start.
Yes. Who is starting? Hello, everyone.
Hello, Durgeshwari, Aditya.
Hello, hi.
Hello, hello.
How was your doing
Hello,
today?
great. What about you?
I have started listening songs to improve my English conversation.
Oh, wow, I love English songs. I am fan of English songs.
Oh,
Wha-
great.
Uh,
What about Aditya? You?
yes, what about Aditya?
So, talking about me, I am also great. Hearing you was also great. And thank you for asking me what's my English special. I like the song. So, which song are you talking about?
So recently I have
We all
started.
saw. Yes.
Yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes. Start.
Yes, yes. No, no, speak. No
So
problem.
recently, I'm not great lover of English songs, but to improve my English, I have started Count on Me, which is
Oh,
all about friendship. So have you heard it?
yes, I heard it. So, this is all based on the friendship, I think. And Aditya heard of that song? What is Aditya?
Yes. Hello. I heard the song, but my network was so much stupid
Yes.
that it could not give me any type to read it. But I heard some part of the song. I
Hmm.
felt my friendship with everyone should be like this. I should never be broken from my friends.
Hmm.
Yeah, I
But
will help
I am
you
very.
to
Huh.
deliver the whole song because I my today network is very good.
so I can tell you the whole story now.
Okay, thank you. Please, please.
Yes, yes. I also love to hear you speak.
So now you have heard some part of the story. Can you tell me so I can start from there?
Can I? Can I?
Yes, yes. Anyone?
So yes. So first, I think in the first starting of the song, I think that they count a one, two, three, and then the friend is coming, and then they help for the coming day. Right. They helping each other. The one starting the song, and then the ocean, middle of the ocean, and then that boy is helping her. That one thing I love the most. And one more, that light is gone, and then boys help her to fit the light, and then he shot that light, but she not see that he the means he shot that, and she wow, like that. One more thing I love them. Yes, can now you can start.
What about Aditya? Have you heard anything about that song?
Yes. So when I was seeing the song in my network issue, I saw that two friends, one was stuck on an island, and the other came to help him in the middle of the island. And then when I saw was the friend was uh, very silent and very quiet. It was so dark at that time, but then the other friend helped him and bring brightness in his life. The part I liked the most.
Yes, and when their friend is on the island, and that one friend also brings some water for there, so that can be. I have also seen in the song. So it
And
means
one more
we
thing,
all. Yes, yes,
yes, yes. And one more thing, when they what is that part? When they then she's not sleep now. So that dark circles, and Rakshita Didi and me is talking about that dark circles come, and then the boy is saying, "I am singing for you." That one thing is very humorous.
yes. Because
And
the friendship is all
hmm,
about to help your friends to make your friend happy. So that's why that the one is singing for the other to make happy. But we can also do for each other.
yes, yes, of course. We also do that homework. In the homework, we help each other. The lots of things we help each other. Yeah, in the school also.
Yes.
In the school also. On the exam also. Exams. That thing I heard about it. In the exams, he one question, two questions, and then answer that question. And teacher will
means
say,
the
no talking, no talking.
means the
Yes,
that the song is very informative. It gives some many more knowledge to us.
yes, yes, lots of knowledge.
So can I
And
also
And what
speak?
about
yes,
Aditya?
yes, yes,
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So in the part when the friend helps in, I was thinking like my friend was also in depression, and he was very living very quiet. But still, I went to him and talked to him, shared to everything with him, and then he became my friend by that way. And now I am his biggest friend.
wow, that's great. Even I have also practically
Yes,
experienced that friendship because during this lockdown, my most of the friends are not able to fill the college form due to some problems. Then they call me that Ayush, I am not able to fill my form and how I get college. So in the same way, I have filled my friends' form. So it's making me so happy. Now my all friends had got admission in
yes.
colleges.
Wow, wow, wow. This is so nice. I also help my one friend is in the ninth standard. He always tell me, what are you doing? and when you are studying, how you study in the 10th standard. And then I talk to him and tell him this is that. And in the maths also, in the science, thoda thoda, I am not a very intelligent, but thoda thoda I help him. So he is also happy and I am also happy. It's all about the help. That's very nice. Where is Aditya? Hello.
I think we lost him.
Hello. Yes, yes, I'm here.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everybody. See you soon. Bye bye.
Thank
No,
you.
no, no. We will talk more. I won't talk more. No, no. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Aditya and Ayush. Thank you so much.
Great, we can see also Aditya right now. I think he tried to turn his video on for a second. Okay, so it was a very well done conversation, all three of you. It was interesting to see the three of you talk because all three of you wanted to talk, and you were like, I'll talk now, then I'll talk now. And there were a few glitches, but you managed it very well. You let the other person speak, and you were extremely polite about it, which is something I loved because it is very difficult to listen to people talk, but it's very easy to be like, no, no, I want to speak right now. I would want to speak my thoughts first, right? So it's very difficult to hold yourself back when the other two people are talking or the other one person is talking, even when they're saying exactly what you want to say, right? So that is a unique quality that I love that all my students have. They don't cut people off mid sentence and they let other people speak and they listen to them when they're speaking. Also, very, very important. Okay. So the song was great. We all loved the song. We discussed the song also. We got to know also a lot of new things from the song, right? Count on me, you can count on me is itself such a pretty phrase, right? I feel like using that phrase in sentences these days. How about it, Ayush, you can count on me. Don't worry, I'll fill your college form, right? That's a good usage of a phrase. Or to use that phrase, or you can also call that phrase one special word that we call such special phrases. It is also like a the word starts with P. It's also like a P se kaun sa word hai? Which word is there?
Please,
No.
please, Didi.
No,
No?
no, it's not. It's a type of words. In Hindi, it means muhavare. We've talked about them at length.
Proverb,
Phrases.
proverb, proverb, proverb.
Proverb.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Proverb.
yeah.
These were like, this is like a proverb, pata hai? You can count on me. I have your back. These are small little proverbs slash phrases that you can use in your sentences. So we learned a lot about this song today, and I think we have largely shot across our time limit. I am very sorry for that. But I had a lot of fun with these discussions, guys. I love listening to you. I love seeing your faces. Even if I can see them for 1 second, it means that you're sitting behind those cameras, and that means a lot to me. I'm very happy for you being so punctual and attending every time. Most of you guys were there on time also. Some of you people were late also, but it's okay. Next time onwards, come on time. As of now, the classes are going to continue on Tuesdays at the same time. Two people have raised their hands. Let's get their questions and then we'll move forward. Yes, Priya first, then Durgeshwari. Yes, Priya.
Dee, can you share English series for watching?
Yes, I would share a lot of songs with you guys. Don't worry. I listen to a lot of songs. No, I'll share my favorite songs. Sorry,
No song, no series
series.
for
Okay,
watching.
sure. I'll do
English
that
series.
too.
Yes.
I think there are some freely available YouTube series that everyone can watch. So I would suggest that to you guys. If I find something nice, I'll suggest it to you guys. Okay? Yes, Durgeshwari, what did you want to say?
Didi, I want to say that you are saying na sorry. Don't say sorry. We love to stay here. It's all cross the time. Don't worry. We love to stay here.
Oh,
Okay.
that's really sweet. Okay. So that will be the end of today's class. Okay, Ayush also wants to say something. Bolo?
Yes, I have one question. That what is the
Yeah.
meaning of sail?
Sorry.
SAIL.
Sail.
What is the
Sailing.
meaning of sail? Yes.
Sail is, so you have a boat, right?
That the sail is boat का yes वो cloth जो रहता है that the sail.
Yeah. So you have a boat, right? So in the boat, you have this stick and then you have like a cloth attached to it. Okay, so that cloth essentially is called a sail. So to raise the sail is to raise that cloth erect. So that cloth essentially helps the wind to push the boat. Okay, and because of that sail, the process of riding a boat like this is called sailing. Okay, so sailing means to travel on like a water body. Sail is like a cycle of water. So जैसे हम लोग जमीन पे जैसे cycle होती है ना, like we have cycle on the ground, we have sail in sea. It's difficult. You get capsized also. It means it just pultifies and it go. You can fall into the ocean also. It's very difficult to control, but that's what sailing is. Okay. So I'll sail the world to find you. Very difficult job. That person is ready to sail the world to find you. Okay. Yes. Somebody else also raised. Okay, Durgeshwari, bolo.
Didi, what means toss? Toss and supposed. Tossed and supposed.
Okay. Toss means, you know how we toss the coin? You remember how we toss the coin? The same toss. If you're tossing and you're turning, matlab, just when we can't sleep, don't we take a lot of, we turn towards the right side, we turn towards the left side, because we can't figure out a good position to fall asleep in. That's the tossing and turning that he's talking about. What was the next part? What was the next word that you asked me?
Supposed. Supposed.
Supposed.
Supposed.
Is it suppose?
SUPPOSED.
Supposed, ed, right?
Suppose, right?
Yeah. So supposed
Supposed.
means,
Right. Yes.
to suppose means to assume something. Now assume is also a difficult word, right? To make a to suppose, okay, I supposed that you would know the meaning of suppose. It's to make, is to think that, is to make an assumption. Okay. So I suppose we can do it that way. I think that we can do it that way. Okay. Suppose is used in places where you're not very sure. I suppose that is also the right answer. Okay, it's used like that. Okay, all right. Anybody has any other doubts?
Yes, Didi. Thank you.
No further doubts? All right, very good. Okay, so we're done with for today's class. Yeah, assuming is also another word that is a synonym of suppose. Very good. So we could have used this as a synonym class as well. Okay, I will make a quiz for you. I'll make a quiz regarding themes and everything in the song. It'll be a very fun quiz, so everybody should score for it. Just for like the revision of the song. And I'll put the song on the group so that you can listen to it again and enjoy the video. Also, had you guys seen the video before, or is it just me that had seen the video on WhatsApp before? Had you guys seen the
First
video?
No,
time.
no,
First
Didi.
time?
First time. I also saw first time.
Very
Yes.
nice.
But
So
it's so sweet.
it is a very sweet song. It's actually a very famous song. And this singer, like Bruno Mars, the singer is a singer like Justin Bieber only. He's also very famous. And most of his songs are not very nice. Like they have, some of his songs have a lot of slangs also. So this is one song that's actually good. That's why I shared it with you guys. Okay. I'll find there are a lot of English songs that are so meaningful and they have no bad words in them. So I'll find the songs and I'll send them to you guys on the group so you can listen to a lot of English songs as well.
I also saw English movies like horror movies. You
Was
saw
it?
The Conjuring,
Yeah,
The
I've seen The
Conjuring,
Conjuring. Yes. I don't
The
like horror
Nun,
movies, but I've seen it.
The
Wait,
Nun.
yes, Aditya, you've raised your hand. Yes,
Because
I'll send
my
Yes,
you the.
Didi.
friend,
Ha, bolo, Aditya.
I don't got the meaning of slang.
Oh, slang means like an abuse, like a very bad way of saying something. So like we have gali in Hindi, and we have gali, but there are some words which are not essentially a gali, but which are also very rude that we don't use, that you wouldn't say to me or your teachers. Those words are called slangs. They are an informal
Didi.
and vulgar usage. Vulgar means something which is very inappropriate. Okay, so that's a slang. All right, not a good thing to use. Okay, so the timings are going to be the same for a long while. It's going to be 6 to 7. I'm talking very fast because we need to finish the class really soon. Okay, so the timings are going to be same for a long while. If you have any other issues, let me know. I'm very happy to see all of you, and I'll see you in the next class. Okay, bye. Love you.
Thank you,
Bye.
thank you so much, Didi. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Didi.
you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Didi.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.